Look at that. She is ready. And you see this in the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube channel. Yeah, the one and only Winston GeL. I have to try and see if I can meet this gentleman named Winston GeL. Yeah, he's awesome. I want to meet him. He's wonderful in the kitchen. Does an awesome job. Yeah, so this is my vegetable stir-fried chicken with bacon and seasoned rice. And you're seeing this on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV. Alright. Chicken is ready. Stir-fried vegetable chicken. And special chicken rice. Alright. Stove off. So that's my special seasoned rice to the right, and that is my vegetable stir-fried chicken. Yes, to the left. And you'll see this on Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV.